Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. In this video, we are discussing about a beautiful European country known as Italy. And what can you as a project manager in this beautiful country expect to make? You could be someone living in Italy, you could be someone who's looking to move into this country and basically pursue your project management career. Now, when we talk about videos like these, we basically refer to a PMI report known as the salary survey. All copyrights acknowledged, no copyrights infringement intended. I would highly urge you to get yourselves the PMI membership so that you can get free access to reports like these. So let's talk about Italy. And in this video, you will get answers to questions like not just what is the average salary a project manager can make in Italy, but also questions like what are the kind of educational qualifications you should have to be able to make the most. What is the size of the company you should work for to be able to make the most? What is the department? What is the kind of industry you should target to be able to make the most as a project manager? So without further ado, let me share my screen. So since Italy is in Europe, the numbers that we talk about are going to be in euros, European Union euros, and all of these are annual numbers. We will take a look at the median numbers only because median is closest to reality. So as a project manager, the median salary in Europe is 52,000 euros. Total compensation, which basically includes some other components as well on top of your salary, that is 56,000 euros. Now, how has the last 12 months been for people in Italy? 61% people reported that their salary remained the same in the last 12 months. What is concerning is that 54% think that their salary is going to remain the same in the next 12 months as well. So this is a red flag for those of you who are not in Italy but trying to move into Italy and pursue a career in project management, because salaries have been stagnant and people expect that the salary will be stagnant for the next 12 months as well. However, 6% reported that their salary decreased, and similar number reported that their salary increased marginally by 1% to 2.9%. However, 7% received a good hike of 5 to 6.9%. Similarly, 11% think that in the next 12 months, they are also going to get a raise of 5 to 6.9%. However, 10% think that their salary is going to rise by 10 to 14.9%, a handsome double-digit growth as well. All the best to those who think so. All right, annualized salary by position description. And this is pretty much the hierarchy of the project management ladder, right? The corporate ladder. You are a project management specialist, then you become a project manager, 1, 2, 3, program manager, portfolio manager, director of PMO. And as you can see, the median salary also increases as you rise through the corporate ladder. Although project management consultant is a different position, it doesn't fall in this ladder or the hierarchy that we talked about, and the consultant makes about 47,699 euros per annum. Analyze salary by years of work experience. As your years of work experience increase, you can look at the leftmost column on your screen. As the number of years increase, then take a look at the median column. The salary is also increasing. So nothing out of ordinary here. This is also the same case with years worked in project management. So the previous one was overall work experience, and this is just work experience in the field of project management. As the number of years increase, your salary also increases. Now let's talk about education. So what is the kind of salary you can expect with the education that you have? And here, this table basically signifies that the kind of education you have doesn't even matter, because someone with a high school degree or a college or associate degree or a master's degree, all three are making the same 52,000 euros. In fact, if you are from the other two categories, that is someone with a 4-year college degree or someone with a doctoral degree, you are not making significantly less than the others here. So I think the education level does not really matter in Italy. However, what matters is the kind of degree you have. If you have a degree in project management, you're making 50,000 odd euros. But if you do not have a degree, you're making 52,000 euros, which means that having a project management degree is not at all helpful if you are in Italy or eyeing to go to Italy. However, what is helpful is having a PMP certification, because someone with a PMP certification is making 53,000 euros odd, and someone who does not have a PMP certification is making 45,000 euros. So having a PMP certification definitely makes a difference. Having a degree, not so much. Annualized salary by gender, there is a gap in gender pay here. 53,000 euros versus 48,000 euros, something to be concerned about. Annualized salary by department, what kind of departments should you work for to be able to make the most? And the top three in the list are general management or administration, consulting, sales, and marketing. Project managers working in these three departments make the most. Now let's talk about the industry that I mentioned in the beginning. What is the kind of industry you should target to be able to make the most? You have resources, agriculture, mining, etc., where project managers are making 70,000 euros, followed by pharmaceuticals, followed by healthcare. So this table is helpful if you are already in Italy, or let's say you are working in a different industry. Let's say you're working in maybe manufacturing, or maybe you're working in government, right? You might want to move into these higher paying industries, right? So look for project manager positions in these industries. These are the industries that pay more than your existing industry. Analyze salary by number of employees in entire organization. And this is important because we have seen several countries where smaller organizations, typically they could be just small companies or they could be startups, they are the ones that pay the highest. And as you actually move up, the larger organizations don't really pay that much. But that is not the case with Italy. An organization with less than 100 employees is actually paying 45,000 euros versus an organization that has 10,000 or more employees, and they pay 56,000 euros. So if you're in Italy, target larger organizations. That's also the same case with average project team size and average project budget. The larger your team or the larger the budget of your project, the higher salary you can expect to make. Finally, I also wanted to cover the kind of work hours people spend in the project management area when they work in Italy. So what is expected is 40 hours, right? A little less than 40 hours is expected. But what people end up working is close to 50 hours. As you can see, director of PMO reports working almost 50 hours. Similar is the case with portfolio manager. A program manager reports working 48.2 hours, right? So, and this is not just one person. You can see N. This is the sample size here that they have taken for this report. So, based on the kind of workload, these people have to work more than 40 hours. But the good thing is you are expected to work about 40 hours. That is a 5-day work week. So that's all in this video. I'd like to remind you, first link in the description is where we have the entire playlist of other countries that we have covered. Let us know in the comments if you want us to cover some other country as well. That's all in this one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.